Here's a new 2026 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, streaming audio, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.